Pull the rag up, Tim. Step away and see if it hits. Watch at the corner, Tim. Tell me if it's going to hit.
Okay.
It's his corner. That was really, really close, wasn't it?
Oh, we still got that. Is that touching?
I think she went by it. Right there. Whoa.
That is touched. Yeah.
Damn it. Damn it. What do we got going on here now? Did it hit the paint? Yeah, it hit the paint, did it? No? Yeah, just. So.
Right at the very last.
That sucks. It means another washer on this side, does it not? That's what it means.
So a little.
Huh? That hit on this side too?
Yeah, well, when we were stuffing it down in there,
Yeah.
touched a little tiny bit on the edge.
Yeah.
Got a lot of brown flaky stuff coming from somewhere.
Yeah,
too.
from underneath the.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say. I put a piece of tape on that for now. And we can play with it that way. That's what I'll do. I'll just put a piece of tape on it. Actually, there's no. Let's do it now. I'll take one. I'll get another. Damn it. Get another washer. These two washers.
Good job, Tim. Thanks for coming along, Tim. That made it much easier for us. Much easier.
I'll just take one out at a time. How you doing, John? Oh, like it's kind of pins and needles sort of stuff. I'll take one out at a time. I don't know if you have to hold it. I think it's all good. I think just kind of be fair, I guess. Because we've got this, and I'm thinking it's going to be all right.
Yeah, it shouldn't go wrong.
Just kind of wondering if I can turn that out or turn the handle up. Nope. We did this before, and it was 3 washers, so. Yeah. Now, just hold still, please and thank you. Please and thank you. I'm try to put one more washer in this bad boy. Them red spectacles.
Put one more in or take one out?
Put one more in. I know it's weird, but it works.
Yeah, we thought we had it.
Nope, I'm gonna do this. What was that? Put that on.
This one here's loosened, so I'll check.
Bring it down.
You haven't loosened it yet.